So if you realize you've made a mistake, you've said the wrong word, you've used the wrong grammatical structure for something, go ahead and pause, just 1 or 2 seconds, and then say something like, well, actually, what I mean is, and now say the same thing that you wanted to say before, but say it in what you think is the more correct fashion. Maybe the pronunciation, you're fixing the pronunciation. Maybe you're fixing, the pronoun from he or she or it, and you made a mistake with that before. Maybe you've made a mistake with the verb tense. You can be using this phrase to fix that. Don't be afraid to correct yourself on test day. Even if you do it a lot, that's actually better for your score than knowing you made a mistake and not going back to fix it. It's okay to circle back and fix stuff a little bit, because that shows an ability that other students don't often show. Where if they make a mistake, what they will often do is feel very bad and feel like, well, I failed at that question, I'm going to try to do better on the next one. Yeah, that actually is not helping their score. If you realize you made a mistake, go back and fix it.
So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, hopefully that means you found something useful or informative about this video. If that's the case, be sure to click this, or you can click something here. There might be something over here, and find out more about how PELA can help you to master the IELTS.